Welcome to our e-learning video on the subject of the Council of Europe. In this lesson, we will explore the history, purpose, structure, and achievements of the Council of Europe, an international organization that promotes human rights, democracy, and the rule of law in Europe. So, let's begin. The Council of Europe is an intergovernmental organization founded in 1949. It was established in the aftermath of World War II, with the goal of fostering unity, cooperation, and stability among European countries. The Council's primary aim is to promote and protect human rights, democracy, and the rule of law across the continent. The Council of Europe is not to be confused with the European Union. While both organizations share some member states, they have different mandates and functions. The Council of Europe focuses on human rights and democracy, whereas the European Union is primarily an economic and political union. The Council consists of 47 member states, encompassing a vast majority of European countries. Its membership includes both EU member states and non-EU countries. Through its membership, the Council strives to create a common framework for human rights and democratic standards throughout Europe. One of the key achievements of the Council of Europe is the European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR. Adopted in 1950, the ECHR is an international treaty that guarantees fundamental rights and freedoms for individuals within the Council's member states. It provides a legal framework for protecting human rights, including the right to life, freedom of expression, and the prohibition of torture. The Council of Europe also plays a crucial role in monitoring and ensuring compliance with human rights standards. It oversees the European Court of Human Rights, which is responsible for adjudicating individual and state complaints alleging violations of the ECHR. This mechanism provides an avenue for individuals and groups to seek justice and hold member states accountable for human rights abuses. In addition to human rights, the Council of Europe actively promotes democracy and the rule of law. It provides a platform for member states to exchange ideas, share best practices, and work together to strengthen democratic institutions. The Council also engages in election monitoring and offers assistance in the development of democratic processes and institutions. Furthermore, the Council of Europe has been instrumental in tackling transnational challenges and promoting cooperation among member states. It addresses issues such as organized crime, corruption, terrorism, and cybercrime through conventions, protocols, and cooperation mechanisms. This collaborative approach allows member states to work together to address common threats and uphold shared values. The Council of Europe has had a significant impact on Europe's legal and political landscape. Its work has contributed to the development of human rights standards, the strengthening of democratic institutions, and the promotion of a culture of human rights throughout the continent. It has fostered dialogue, understanding, and cooperation among European countries, working towards a more inclusive and just society. In conclusion, the Council of Europe is an intergovernmental organization that promotes human rights, democracy, and the rule of law in Europe. Through its member states, it strives to protect and advance fundamental rights and freedoms. The Council's achievements, such as the European Convention on Human Rights and the European Court of Human Rights, have had a profound impact on the legal and political landscape of Europe. Thank you for watching our e-learning video on the Council of Europe. We hope this lesson has provided you with valuable insights into this important international organization. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Stay curious and keep learning.